Okay.
I'm gonna do the whole lesson.
It's for diving. I'll show you dive. Wow. That's why we don't have a diving unit. We go play in the pool. We're good? No? Yes? Fishy. Okay. So today, in our millionth day of football, we are going to learn running passes and then a couple rules of playing a football game inside. So first, I need you guys to grab a partner, spread out. Can you guys tell me what are some good cues for throwing and catching a football?
Keep your hand close through here.
Okay. Set with the opposite foot. Follow through. Crossover.
Catching.
Good job.
Diamond.
Good job.
Or fingers.
Pinkies. Pinkies. Good job. So for a little warm up, grab a partner, grab a football. One here. Throw a couple times to warm up.
Triangle.
Or make a triangle. Per group, because you're playing catch. What? Spread out. Play catch, warm up, move around, whatever. Yeah, just throw for a second. So, yeah, just don't. So I can take attendance, please. If you guys could freeze and bring it in for a second, please. Good job. All right, so now we're going to go over some running patterns. So I'm going to need two groups. This group can be on that green poly spot, and you guys can be on that blue one over there. So go ahead, and then we'll demonstrate some running patterns. So on the paper, on the floor, are the running patterns that we're going to go over today. The first one is the hook. It's pretty simple. You just run down the field, X amount of yards that you guys decide to run, and then you just turn around to catch the ball. So for example, do you mind passing to me while I run?
Absolutely.
Okay.
You want me to beam it in?
No. Okay? So let's practice the hook a couple times. One person throwing, one person receiving, and rotate. Go ahead.
Remember, a true hook, like, I should like fall short of in the air before I turn around. So I'm going to
Whoa, good job. Don't run into me. All right, you guys good on the hook? All right, so the next one we're doing is called the down and in. Run down the field and then you cut into the field. Down the field and then you cut into the field. In would be towards the middle. Yeah. Well, let's just go to the right so you guys don't collide. Okay, oh my gosh. For example, to answer any questions, I'm going to do a demonstration real quick. LB is going to throw it to me. Okay, questions? It's good? All right, let's practice that a couple of times. A couple reminders that I probably should have gone over earlier. When you guys are making your passes to help with the receiver, you want to lead them. You don't want to throw it right to them. You want to throw it where they're running to. And then for catching, you don't want to stop running because that defeats the whole purpose. So continue to run and lead the runner. All right, so the next one's pretty easy. It's called the fly. So you pretty much just run down the field straight towards the goal line to receive the ball. Okay? Woo! Everybody got to practice a couple times? Okay. Okay. Good job, LB. Good. All right, so the last one we're doing is called the post. So you run down the field and then you cut at like a 45-degree angle and go towards the goal post for like, you know, where they kick the touchdowns. So that's where you would run towards, 45-degree angle. So, okay. All right, so if you guys want to practice that pattern a couple of times, go ahead. Go. My bad. Watch out. Two hands. All right, let's freeze again for a second. All right, so now in your groups, you're going to come up with your own running pattern, okay? Running pattern of your own and come up with a name for it. Yeah. What is your running pattern called?
Hook to a fade.
A what?
The hook to a fade.
The hook to a fade? Nice.
Or we can do an out slant to a post.
Okay, cool. Sounds good.
What were you guys?
So if you guys got it, you can go ahead and start practicing it. Go ahead and start practicing so we can move on to our next activity. All right. Freeze, if you guys could bring it in for a second. We're going to go over some rules for modified game of flag football. All right? So for the offensive side, you'll have a quarterback and some receivers, and then on the defensive side, you'll have defenders. Cornerbacks and center backs and linebackers. Yes. Okay. So you have, does everyone know what a down is? Kind of. Okay, so you have 4 downs to reach a certain point. So it's like 4 chances to get a certain distance.
How far?
Yes. We're going to do half court. So you have 4 chances to get half court, 4 chances to get, if it was a full basketball court. And then there will be no pushing, no blocking, no pulling clothes, no tackling. We are going to be using flags, but our flags don't rip off, so kind of just stop when you feel pressure.
No panting?
Okay? And you know, a successful way to make some touchdowns, running patterns. So person throwing, the quarterback, knows where the receiver is going to be. Any questions? Every touchdown, 7 points, no punting, no kicking. Us 3 versus them 3.
Right.
Okay. So you guys are yellow pennies and red, and we got blue belts.
Yay. Belts. I don't know, those fit around my waist.
I'm sure.
Actually, no, it
I
can't.
don't.
These flags rip off.
I'm just gonna.
These flags do rip off.
What?
They rip off.
Who?
They rip
The
off.
whole belt?
The whole belt.
Oh, I thought the flags were supposed to rip off.
They had different types. This is the one that
Oh, so you just clip and then the whole belt will come off?
Yeah, this one's Velcro, so this one's harder. But yeah, if you just pull that, that's gonna come off very easy.
Yeah, that's what the point of these are. Yeah, you're right.
Grab the flags, not the shorts, please.
Yeah.
So make sure you grab the flags, not the shorts.
You're not commando, are you?
All right, let's go.
Let's start.
We're just gonna start because we have the ball. So who wants to be quarterback? You want to be quarterback? Me? No, this ball's too big. I can't throw it. My hand's little. Okay. We start from our end. Okay. So touchdowns, white line, white line. What's our play?
All right. You should go run out, do a post out.
Okay.
You can run slide.
All right. Ready? Oh my gosh.
Go.
Touchdown. Okay. Here you guys go. Start from your side.
This isn't going to be a touchdown. It's going to be on this. You can't run. You can't scramble either. You got big mic? I guess I'm just going to stand in the middle and because the quarterback's not running, obviously, right?
Yeah, you can do like a 7-second blitz. Is that a long enough time for 7 seconds? Considering we have like 30 seconds left in class.
7 seconds. You want me to go in the middle?
Ah!